like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And today I have the ice cream box. Now in this box, you get full-size items. There's 5 to 7 items, and that's $25 a month, and that includes shipping. And you are guaranteed a pallet in every box. Also, they also have a bag, which mine hasn't come yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll do that in another video. But that is $12.50, and I believe it's $2.50 shipping, something like that. But I'll leave all the information, all the links, and I'll leave all that in the description. And then also, I will put it on the prices and stuff on the screen because I'm well aware that I speak with lisp. So I try to do that so there's no confusion. So anyway, I love this box. This is my favorite makeup box. Now I did take out, they usually ship it with biodegradable peanuts. Now I do take those out. I don't look at anything else, but I do take those out. And this is what it is after you take out your card. And it says March, make your own luck. And that's what that is. So if you want to pause it and read it, or so anyway, this is one of my favorites. This is absolutely one of my favorites. This is the one makeup box, if I didn't have a channel, that I know I would keep. There's a few others that I probably would keep, but this one I know I would keep. There's just a few boxes like that, like the Balance box, Discovery box. You can't beat the price. You know, there's just certain ones that I would get regardless. They're well worth the money. But anyhow, the first thing I'm pointing out is Ziza Living Colorfully. Looks like that, and it's in plastic wrap. Let's just see if I can see what it is real fast. Oh, here it is. Redness Correcting Primer, and it's $22. Last month, I believe it was. I don't think it was this box, but we got a milk makeup primer. Yeah, I never got to use any of it. I spilled it on the floor. I dropped it on the floor, and the whole thing just went, and it was all over the floor. What a mess. What a mess. So I'm kind of happy to get this because I don't have a primer right now. I don't really use primers because I'm of the why bother generation. You know, it's just one more thing to buy generation. And if I have it, I'll use it. But I tend to, it's the weirdest thing. But anyhow, this is what the box looks like without the plastic. And it has one of these applicators. And see, it has like a you know, because it would be the polar opposite. So, and I have a lot of red in my skin, and a little bit does go a long way on this. Now, I'm going to let that sit for a minute because I want to feel the tack on it. So I'm just going to let that sit for a minute. It's not over sticky, but it is sticky. It does have a stick to it, a grip to it. What you want that in? Let's see what the value is on that. I'm sure I told you, but it is $22. But I always like to make sure. And then this, I don't know what it is yet, but I will read. But very pretty box. What is this? This is Beauty Beauty Gold Opal Liquid Highlight Drops. And let's see the price. $35. So this is $35. It's got very, I don't know about that, but it's got very, okay, it's just, I thought, is it dried up in there? But it's not. It's going back over. It's got a very pretty jar. And this is glass, I believe. Yeah, it's glass. Okay. Wow. What the heck? I don't think that's supposed to be like that. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Did you see that all come out at once? Look, that's dry. No. I've never had to call them before, but I will. I've never had to call them about anything before. But it was separated in the bottle. Then I shook it up. Yeah, it's not good. No, I'm going to have to call him. You see that? I'm going to have to call him. This is no good. It's a beautiful bottle. And it's a beautiful color. See, when I finally got it out to... It's a beautiful color. But see, this is a big old clump here, too. Big old clump. So it's just... I tried shaking it. You saw that. Yeah, it's just not going to work. Yeah, it's not good. No, must be slightly dried up in there or something. So I will call them. And then we'll find out exactly how their customer service is. So I will put this aside. We'll see how their customer service is. And that was... Because I've never had to call them for anything. Everything's always been perfect. That was a $35 value. So I will be calling them. Okay, and then... Is that this? You're going to have to hold on with me with this one because... I have to open it up. I think it's this one, but I am not sure. Yeah, this is Oprah Cosmetics. And it is... Unit Bluster. That's what it says. Oh, I see. Unit Bluster. And the reason they're calling it Unit is because if you look, there's two different colors in there. It's like a blush and then a bronzer. So I will do on the blush side. Oops. And there's that. And then I'll do on the bronzer side. And that's that. See, that highlighter is just gorgeous. It's just a shame it's dry. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. So that's the blush. It's BLUSTZER, and it's hard for me to say bluster. And that's $29. Okay. Then we have Steina Face, and it's Velvet Dream Stick. And there would be your color. Let's see if I can. I can't read that. Maybe we can do it this way, and then I can zoom in on it. I'll try. And this is a $12 value. I don't know. So, well, that's pretty. It's definitely pretty. Let's do it this way. Maybe I can. It's one of these. So I will put it here. And that's a little dark for me. But let's just see. So there's that. And that is $12. And lastly, we have, good thing that was empty, it just fell on the floor. You know, my little world is such a mess. And this is, what's it called? End of the Rainbow. Duh, Deborah. Duh. I sound like my mom. Duh, Deborah. Okay, there were some more of these glitters like last month that I was so impressed with. I really did like them. Let's see what it says here. This is Into the Rainbow palette by Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty. It's valued at $30. We are so honored to have Ladybug Glow Cosmetics in our box. This is the first time ever, so it's not the same as it was last time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Here's the colors. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do all the outside colors. We'll do those right here. Because I want to try a few things with these different glitters I have. Because they're very similar to the ones we got the glitters in the middle are very similar to the ones we got last time. So I'm kind of wondering, that's a green. Okay. I just went over that a couple times because I wanted to see. And here's black. And those are the mattes right here. This is because I did another one before this. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do these up here by themselves. These are those. But now I want to try something down here. I'm going to make this very dark. Okay, that right there. And I'm going to try just topping. Let's see, look at the difference there. Let's try the green. I'm going to get very dark. And then I'm going to do this bottom one too. Let's see. Let's see what that did. I'll make this purple. And I'll go over it with this. Just one swatch across it. Seems to do it. But it looks really cool. Let's go back and get some of this one. We'll put it over top of that yellow. Now look how bright that yellow is now. Interesting. But I just love those. I just think they're so neat because they're, they switch, but yet they go with it. It's like very easy to do multiple looks at this. Those are really cool. I really like those. Anyway, let me just, there's this plastic. I like to keep the plastic so it keeps the stuff from going all over the place. If you got any, if you drop it or anything, it keeps it from going all over the place. So those are the colors in this box. Definitely springy. Springy. And I will put the box total up here, but I mean, 4 out of 5 things paid for the box themselves. So you got well over $100 value here. So, but yeah, like I said, it's one of my favorites. So why don't you come on back, join us. Like and subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. I got that stuff everywhere. We do all kinds of unboxings. I do subscription boxes. I do beauty boxes, mystery boxes, FabFitFun. You name it, we do it. So come on back. Join us. Bye.